Hello, today I'm here with William Connor. He's a member of the Flamstead Astronomical Society. I have 3 questions I hope William can help me answer. Hello William. Thank you for coming here today. I'll start with my first question. Do you think we'll ever know what happened before the Big Bang?
Hello Christiana. Well, let's start with asking, what is the evidence there was a Big Bang? Well, Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer, discovered by observations that the galaxies are moving away and apart from each other. This suggests the universe is expanding from some starting point that we currently call the Big Bang. The second point to consider is that scientists have found evidence of an echo from the Big Bang. This echo is called the Cosmic Microwave Background Radiation, CMBR, and it can be measured all around us in the observable universe. The third point to consider is what happens when the expansion of the universe runs out of energy to keep expanding. One theory is that the universe will collapse back into a big crunch, so completing the cycle from which another Big Bang will occur. From science, we don't know what created this cycle and started this process.
Thank you. How far along is our Sun in its journey through its life, and how do we know this?
A Danish astronomer called Ednar Hertzsprung discovered that stars have different luminosity or brightness and the colour which turned out to be their temperature. Together with another scientist called Henry Norris Russell, they came up with a diagram that allowed stars to be categorised. They used this to see how old or young stars were. Our Sun is an ordinary star that lives in what is called the main sequence path through this diagram. We can accurately measure how bright and hot our star is, and when we plot this data on the diagram, we can see that our Sun is halfway through its life as a star.
Thank you. How are we aware of the shape of our galaxy, and how do we know?
Well, the first observation we can make is from our own galaxy called the Milky Way. When we look up at the sky in the dark field sight, we can see towards the centre of our galaxy and see its general shape edge on. We can see what we call a galactic bulge, which is like 2 fried eggs back to back. The second observation that we can see are other galaxies and their shapes. It was again Edwin Hubble who classified the galaxies he observed into types. The third thing that we can see is to compare other galaxies' edges with our own galaxy and infer or assume our galaxy has a similar structure and shape. We can also measure the size of our galaxy and the speed at which the stars are travelling around the edge of the galaxy. From this we can calculate how fast our galaxy is rotating.
William, well thank you for those answers, for coming along today.
Thank you very much, Christiana, for asking me along.
I hope you continue to see interesting stars and planets while observing at your Astronomy Society. Thank you.
Thank you.
Join us next time for another episode of Our Universe Today.